Well, it's never easy to understand why someone's life has ended because of suicide. Even tougher to grasp is that suicide is the second leading cause of death for adolescents and teens. It's important for all of us to do what we can to prevent youth suicide. So we give some advice in this segment, sponsored for us by Franklin County Children's Services. And I am happy to welcome today caseworker Derek Cobb with FCCS and Michelle Vargas, director of the Franklin County Suicide Prevention Coalition. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you
for having us.
You know, in the midst of Mental Health Awareness Month, we're tackling the tough topic of teen suicide. And Derek, you work one-on-one with young kids. What are some of the challenges that they're facing today?
Pressures from peers, parents, caregivers, caring for siblings, unstable home settings, feeling isolated with no one to talk with, not being accepted for who they really are. And some are dealing with diagnosed and undiagnosed mental health issues.
And you obviously at FCCS are taking action then, and you want us to take action, right? How do we help better protect our kids? Derek, what can we do?
One such method is to ensure that items that can be used to harm are removed from the home, are locked away. That is why we are partnering with Nationwide Children's Hospital, Franklin County Suicide Prevention Coalition, and the Columbus Public Health to educate parents to eliminate access to lethal means such as guns and medications in the home. We need support in recognizing child abuse, neglect, and we need families to talk to their teens about their own fears and challenges. You can get more information from the agency website on parenting tips and other resources at childrenservices.franklincounty.ohio.gov.
And Michelle, talking about suicide, right? We know it's a tough topic to bring up, but not bringing it up can have severe consequences. So we need to be open and discuss this.
Absolutely. We know that the most recent Franklin County Coroner's Office data indicated that there was an increase in suicide in the percentage of youth who died by suicide between 2019 and 2020. And each year for the past several years in Franklin County, around half of the individuals who died by suicide died by firearm. Also, the most recent Ohio Healthy Youth Environment Survey indicated that around 16% of students in Ohio reported having seriously considered suicide in the previous 12 months. So this is why the Franklin County Suicide Prevention Coalition is partnering with local organizations to coordinate evidence-based suicide prevention training for schools, organizations, and community members.
I know that you, Michelle, believe in something called the culture of mutual caring. Explain this one to us.
Sure. So the Franklin County Suicide Prevention Coalition believes in the power of gatekeepers to help prevent suicide. So gatekeepers are individuals in our community who are able to identify when friends, family members, and other people that they know may be starting to behave differently and starting to exhibit signs of distress. And so at this point, these gatekeepers check in with the people in their lives simply to ask, are you okay? And they ask these questions and they're not offering to solve problems for them, but they're offering to connect them to support services. So for anybody who might be interested in learning about these gatekeeper skills to help protect those individuals in their lives, then they can visit the Franklin County Suicide Prevention Coalition's website at franklincountｙspc.org.
All right. We also have a phone number up on screen, and I'll tell you, there are so many resources right here in our city, in our county, to help if you have a question, a concern, and if you need a hand, right, in dealing with this issue. So, Derek, Michelle, thank you for what you're doing to help our children and really for what you guys do every single day. Appreciate you sharing.
Thank you.
Thank you.